Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi magnifica espresso machine after I replaced the mechano valve. This part was broken and getting some leak inside the machine. So let's go ahead and test it. Make espresso shot on it. This is cool. A really nice shot. Got that thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. So let's see if there is any water in here. Just dry a little bit from the, and here the same. Only the normal amount, just a few drops. So let's test the hot water. That works perfect. And the steamer. In the beginning we get some water. That works great too. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.